A very good evening, dear children and my dear viewers. So, here is the topic noun. Noun is a topic which is very important, and it is the easiest topic in English grammar. Okay, even though a student of class 1 is introduced with this topic, but not as a noun, as a naming word. Okay, so we should understand the importance of this particular topic. So let's start without further delay. As we all know that noun is a naming word, and it gives name to a person, place, thing, or idea, feelings, or emotions. Everything comes in a noun. Okay, in a sentence, noun can be play the role of a subject, a direct object, or indirect object. Direct and indirect object, it I already taught you in the active and passive voice when I taught you in that slide. You can cross check. Okay, when subject is treated as majorly as an object, main object, then it will be direct object. When it will be treated as indirect object, means comes before the direct object, then it will be indirect object. Okay, so I briefed you. So let's move to the next slide. Types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun and material noun. Okay, 5 types majorly. Next slide. So noun, as I already told you, the simplest definition of this is it's a naming word. Naming word is called noun, which gives name to the person, to the place, to the thing, to the feeling, to the thing, to the feeling, everything. Okay, idea and emotions, whatever. Okay, so these all 3 can be divided into, but there is, I think, material can be again can be countable, comes in some materials can be come in the countable noun. So here there is a correction, you can correct it. I put the slide here, but there is a correction. Okay, so this can be material, can be sometimes come in the countable category. Okay, so proper, common, collective, and material all can come in the countable noun, but only abstract cannot be counted, so it will always be in the uncountable nouns. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Proper noun. So proper nouns are those nouns which gives name to the specific person, place, or thing. Likewise, you could see in the example, David is the name of a boy, so David is a proper noun. Rover is the name of a dog. Okay, so Rover is a proper noun. Orlando is a city. Okay, name of a city, so it's a proper noun. Toy Story, it's again a name of a movie. And one thing you can notice that all these nouns, proper nouns, starts with a capital letter. So don't forget, most of the students, they are grown, they are studying in the higher classes, but still they are in the habit of writing small letters, begin proper noun with the small letters. So this is very incorrect. Improve it from today onwards. Okay, so let's move to the next, common noun. Common noun, when we talk about any particular person, thing, or in a general sense, any idea, anything in a general sense, then it comes in a common noun. Like a dog, we are talking about any general dog. Cat, general cat. Okay, in the same way, man, woman, person, these all will come in a common noun. Okay, so in the same way, tree, flower, river, mountain, ocean, and phone, computer, shoe, hat, all that, teacher, student, all are common nouns. Okay, so collective noun at its name refers that collective noun is a group of people, group of animals, group of thing. It's a word which shows a collection, a group of. Okay, so an army of, example, you could see people of in a people, you could see an army of soldier, in an animal, a team of ducks, a bunch of keys, like that. Okay, let's move. Here is, I thought I must give a few important collective nouns before you, so you people can pause the video and read it later. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Material noun. Material noun is a substance, material, or an ingredient we can see and touch, which is used for making things. Okay, material noun, that its name is referring material, which is made of material, which is made of substance, and that will come in this particular category, and we could see, we could touch it. So that way we can categorize this particular noun. So next is abstract noun. Abstract noun is somewhere just contradictory, just opposite of material noun, because we can touch it, we can see it, but here everything is just based on intangible concepts, ideas, qualities, emotions, and state of. So in that we cannot, our five senses cannot feel it, cannot perceive it. Okay, so these things come in the category of abstract noun. And examples are given. With the example you could easily understand what are they. The love, happiness, freedom, justice, knowledge, truth, all these, as I mentioned, that abstract nouns always comes in the uncountable noun, because love cannot be counted, happiness cannot be counted, freedom cannot be measured, and justice, knowledge, all these cannot be counted. Okay, so these all comes in the category of abstract noun. Next is types of noun. Again it is given, so in different sources you will get, as you go in the higher classes you will get the types and everything in a wider sense. So here are given, like proper noun we have already seen. Common noun, as we know that common in when it talk about general sense. Concrete noun is the same that material noun, as I already mentioned, that concrete noun is also called as material noun. Abstract noun is that which shows feeling, ideas, emotions. Next is countable noun, which can be counted, like book is a singular noun, books are plural noun, but they are both can be counted. Okay, now uncountable nouns are those which cannot be counted, which can be just measured. Collective nouns are those which is in the group, and a team, family, flock, these will come. Compound nouns are those nouns which can come in two nouns comes together, like cupcake, football, raincoat, like that, etc. Possessive nouns are those which comes along with the apostrophe s. When any proper noun is given along with the apostrophe s, then it is called as the possessive nouns. That is John's car, dog's toy, like that. Gerunds are very important. You people must know this, and because this is very crucial and important. People get most of the time confused. They treat it as a verb. Okay, verb with its ing form, but it is not. It is called as in nouns, in portion of the part of noun, it is called as the gerunds. Okay, so swim is like verb, main verb is changed into adding by ing, changed into a noun. Okay, swimming and singing, so these both are gerunds, called as gerunds in noun. Okay, so next is this cannot be also escaped. This is also comes in the part of noun itself, gender of the noun. So masculine gender for the female name, feminine is the for female category, common noun is for when we talk about common, or in a general sense neuter gender is a material things. Okay, so you could see in this particular video masculine, few examples of masculine: king, boy, lion, father, monk, and dog. And in feminine, queen, girl, mother, bride, nun, and cat. And then common noun, doctor, cousin, and reporter, all this. Okay, next is neuter gender: pen, chair, ocean, computer, sun, etc. Okay, so these all comes in the neuter gender. So here this is the last slide of the video. I'm going to end with a quotation. The positive